Hey everyone, it's me, Tristan. We're gonna do the blind taste test challenge. What the blind taste test challenge is like someone tastes something, and then if they get it right, they get a point. And whoever loses has to give the other person $1. So we're gonna tally up the points. But right now, Mom's the victim.
Hello. I'm so scared.
First, I'm gonna give her a snack bag pudding.
Oh my lord.
It is ice cream sandwich.
Are you gonna feed it to me?
You mind holding the camera this way? Thanks.
Wait, what do I do? Hold it towards me?
No, hold it like that. Thanks. So open up this thing. Shoot. There we go. So feed her this, and she's never gonna know she's gonna
I
have.
have no idea. Oh lord.
Okay.
Spoon?
Yes, spoon. So, you ready? See if she can guess it.
Where is it? You gotta help me.
It's right there. It's right there. It's right there.
Oh my god, do I have it?
Yeah, you got it. You got it. You put it in your mouth. Up, 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 up.
Ew. Ah.
Yeah, that's so funny.
That's pudding. I hope it's pudding. If not, it's dog poopy.
What kind of pudding is it?
Chocolate.
Nope. It's ice cream sandwich pudding.
Oh lord, that was hard. Ah.
Okay.
Ah.
Next, I'm gonna give it a bone.
I don't like pudding.
So, Mommy, mind holding this again?
Is it to you?
Okay. Ready? I'll give it to you.
What is it?
Here. She's eating this, by the way.
Ah! What is it?
What is it?
Oh. It's like a sour cream and onion potato chip?
Just to tell you guys, it's ranch dipped
No?
wings. Nope. What, one more try, Mom. One more try. I'll give you one more try.
It's like a...
What brand is it?
I don't know.
Okay. It's Doritos.
Oh, it is Dorito? Oh, they need to make new ones.
It's ranch dipped hot wings.
Spinach dip hot wings?
Ranch dipped hot wings.
Oh,
I'm trying to
awful. Blech. No offense, Dorito.
Good.
Okay, so that's 2. I have absolutely none right.
She didn't get this one, which is Doritos jacket ranch dipped hot wings. That was the red chip. And we have pudding that she didn't get right. It was ice cream sandwich pudding.
That did not taste like an ice cream sandwich.
So, mind holding this again for me, Mom?
Okay.
Okay. So pop this open. And by the way, if you don't know who Mom is, you don't know who Mom is. She
There's a scissor in the drawer, Bubba, if you need it.
she's my mom. She's holding the camera. She's the cameraman right now. Say hello. Say hello to everybody, Mom.
Hey!
Scissor. Stuck. There we go.
You got the scissor?
So, by the way, guys, it's this. So, just to tell you. I'll tell you when she's eating it.
Is this camera on you?
Yeah, it's on me. Okay. Oh, it's horrible. So by the way, guys, she's eating sweet potato chips. Okay. There you go, Mom.
Huh. You gonna feed it? Ah! Ah! Ah!
You have to eat it. You have to eat the whole thing. What do you think it is?
It's cinnamon something.
No, sweet potato chips.
Ew!
Yeah.
How in the world?
Okay. The next one you might,
Ugh.
Mom, you might
awful.
think this is good, so you mind holding it me for just one more second.
Oh, gross. Okay, how many is that?
Okay, you have 3 so far. It's 2 more. This one you might enjoy. Okay. Cause we don't have that much because they're tiny. Gonna. Okay, guys, love this. Just to show it to the fans. There you go.
What is it?
Well, I'm not telling you.
It's got a shell.
Okay, let me get it for you.
Oh, it's a pistachio.
No! She got it!
It's a pistachio.
You
Mmm.
got it, Mom.
Mmm. That's good. I'll take another one. No, I'm just kidding. That's the best thing in the whole thing so far.
So she ate a pistachio.
All right, what's the next one?
I'm not allowed to tell you, Mom. So she ate a pistachio.
I love those. I'll have another.
I know.
Oh, there's one.
So she ate a pistachio. That big, the nut. And she got it right this time. Sorry, guys. She got it right this time. She got it right this time.
Okay.
Mama, I think eat it one more time. Ready? It's a pistachio.
No, I'm good. I just put one in my mouth.
Okay. So she ate a pistachio.
1 out of 3 so far.
She ate a pistachio.
Or 1 out of 4.
She ate a pistachio.
I got 1 more to go, don't
She
I?
ate a pistachio. She ate a pistachio and she got it right this time. So, for guys, it's going to be...
I can't wait to do mine on you.
Veggies. Okay. So, Mom, you're going to have to hold the camera when I do it, okay? So, you ready?
What do I do?
Swap it. She spit it out! She spit it out! See when we spit it on
That's
her hand?
applesauce.
She spit it on her hand and she spit it on the pistachios bag.
That's applesauce.
What kind of applesauce? She's licking the stuff that she always spit out.
Banana. Applesauce.
No. Fruit and veggies.
Thank you.
You're done, Mom, sweet!
All right, I got 1 out of 5. Not bad. I can't wait to do you.
Uh-oh. And you gotta show them what it is.
All right. All right, well, bye.
No, Mom, we're not doing the outro yet. You have to go get yours.
I know, but we gotta pause.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we do.
No, we have 8. We already have 8.
Bye.
No, she's just joking. You have to go. She's gonna go get the stuff, and she's gonna show you what they are.